Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the animal gift in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you fill the animal's trough with the food they like, they will give you a gift and you will be able to claim it. And when the gift is ready, you will get a sign. You can open up your watch first and then go to the animals, and you can see the red dot, right? It means that an animal will give you a gift and you can claim it. Okay, let's see which animal give me a gift. Okay, we can see from the what is this, cicadere, and also from the penguin. Okay, I'm going to track the cicadere. Okay, we can track the animal's trough. Okay, it's in the forest, and I'm going to go to the forest, guys. Wait. Okay, the trough is already empty. It means that the animal has in the food I gave. And then we can claim the gift. Okay, this is the gift icon, and you just need to tap on that. And I got 8 apples. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim animal gift in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!